Mail send, whether it's best for email marketing or not. So hi, my name is Michael and welcome to my YouTube channel. First, let me tell you how the structure of this review video is going to be. So firstly, I will be speaking on what mail send is all about. Secondly, I will be mentioning what it has to offer us, what are its features, and thirdly, I'll be seeing whether it has any money back guarantee or not in case of dissatisfaction of the product. And finally, I will be giving my conclusion on whether you must buy this product or not. And at the end, I will show you the landing page of this product as well, so you can get the information from there as well. So let me not waste any more time, and let me start with what mail send is all about. So mail send is basically a cloud based technology that allows you to send emails to your subscribers with just one push of a button. Now let's look at what mail send has to offer us. So it claims that it has the most powerful mailing system for zero recurring fees. Okay, let me elaborate this for you. MailSend is an email marketing technology, all without charging any monthly fee or being a cheap WordPress plugin. Okay, it unlimited everything with no limitations. It says that you're not capped at all on the number of emails you can send, the number of subscribers you can have, or the number of campaigns you can run. It's all you can send is so your email your list as often as you would like, using beautiful templates with no downtime. Okay, it's a mobile responsive software, which means that you and your audience can access mail send from anywhere, even from your smartphone. Though it is a newbie friendly technology, but it's made for marketers by marketers as well. It is reliable, it helps you build your list. Okay. So till now you can imagine how a new lightweight piece of technology that has so incredibly sophisticated yet intuitive and easy to use, that allows you to benefit from an absolute best feature with zero monthly fee. Look, it doesn't even matter who you are or what you are doing, because this product will help you mail the subscribers in the best possible way, since it is market friendly, user friendly, low cost alternative to other expensive autoresponders. Okay, till so far so good. I hope you are getting till now what I am trying to say. In other words, which I meant, it was just this, that you can mail your subscribers instantly with by scheduling your emails and facing no downtime, as well as using the email editor which is in this product, and can send interactive emails to your subscribers. And there are dozens of built-in templates as well to grab their visitors attention, and built-in forms to build your list of subscribers. Okay. Now let's look at, this was all about the features of the product as far as I can mention in the shortest possible way as I could. Now let's look at the money back guarantee scheme or not. So yes. There is a good news for you guys. There is a 30 days with no questions asked money back guarantee. So if you purchase the product today, then within the first 30 days, if you are dissatisfied with this product, you will get your refund with no questions asked. Now let me show you how the landing page of this product will be going to be, so that you can get more idea about this product. So this is how it's going to be. As I already mentioned, this feature that you can mail unlimited subscribers uh, at this at your convenience. Steps: you should have to log into your cloud platform, upload your subscriber list and mail them. Okay, these were all its features. Okay. So if you thought about this product till now, and if you are willing to buy this product, there will be a link in the description below. Go check this product out, and if you find it useful, then you buy it. And you found this video to be useful, then please like, subscribe my channel and share this video with the needy ones. And that's it.